In this tutorial, we'll show you how to teach your clients to meal plan for themselves. Providing your clients with a collection of hand-picked recipes and a blank meal plan is a great way to provide autonomy and put the power of meal planning into your clients' hands. Our features make this a seamless process for you and your clients. Start by creating a collection of recipes based on your client's need. Head to the Recipes tab and apply your desired filters. For this example, I'm going to search for recipes that are low glycemic and high in calcium. I'll start with breakfast and move my way to lunches, dinners, and snacks so that my client has a variety of recipes to choose from. To add any recipe to your collection, click on the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Collection. If you haven't yet created your collection, click on Create Collection and name your collection. Then click Add Recipe. If you'd like to add multiple recipes to your collection at once, use our Select feature. Check all of the recipes that you'd like to add, or you can use the box at the top to bulk select the first page of recipes. To load more, simply scroll down until additional recipes have loaded and scroll back up to select more. Once you've selected the recipes you'd like, click the Add to Folder icon. Choose the collection you'd like to add your recipes to, and then select Add Recipes. Once all of your desired recipes are added to your collection, create a blank meal plan. Click on Planner and then select New and Blank. Give your meal plan a title and set any smart rules that apply. In this example, we'll want to add our low glycemic tag here as we want to ensure our client's recipe selection matches the rules we set for them. Setting these rules ensures that if your client decides to use the swap feature, they will only be provided low glycemic recipes. Once your rules are set, add this blank plan with smart rules to the collection of recipes. Click the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Collection. Choose your collection and add it from there. Once your collection contains recipes and a blank plan, click Share. You'll head to the Collections tab and scroll down to locate your collection. You can click the star to pin it at the top. Select Share and be sure to toggle on the sharing link. Then select Allow Edits. You can also turn on any other sharing permissions you might need. If you'd like to provide a greeting or further instructions for your client, use Attachments. Select Attachments from the top and click on New or Add Attachment. Select the type of attachment you would like to create. For this example, we will create a welcome message that provides instructions on how to meal plan. So we'll choose Rich Text. Enter the name and input your message into the content area. You can also apply snippets by using our snippet templates. Select Templates and scroll down to the Meal Planning Guide Introduction template. This will apply the content in the content area. Lastly, click on Create Attachment to save the attachment. If you'd like this message to be the first thing your client sees when they log in, be sure to pin this message by clicking the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Pin Attachment. Your client will be greeted with this message when they visit the shared link. You can also add one of our client-facing video tutorials to offer instructions. You can access this customer-facing video tutorial in the description below. Simply copy the link and paste it as a link attachment. Once your permissions and attachments are set, be sure to copy the link under the Details tab and share it with your client in an email or using your practice management software. When your client clicks on this link, they will see the message you pinned, any additional attachments, the recipes you provided, and a blank meal plan. If you'd like your brand color and your brand icon to be visible throughout your shared links, be sure to update this within your settings. First, upload your brand icon. Go to Your Profile, My Business, and add a square icon image. Then select your theme color by adding the hex code or selecting from the square box. Be sure to click Save when done. From there, click on Preferences and toggle on Automatically Apply Icon and Theme Color when possible. Now, when you generate a shared link, your brand color and icon will be shared across all of the pages. You can see this at the top as well as the Browser tab. When they click on the plan, they can start to build it out with the recipes that you provided for them. As the practitioner, you will be able to see what your client chooses to add to their meal plan, so you can provide them with feedback and even edit their meal plan if they need some extra guidance. This is a great way to empower your clients and teach them the skill of meal planning while providing them with meal ideas that meet their needs. You can continue to add new recipes and blank plans to this collection on a regular basis if you are working with a client over a longer period of time. This is also a great tool for client retention to keep clients engaged on a weekly or monthly basis with new recipes and plans. And that's how easy it is to teach your clients how to meal plan.